Jenny Craig Online App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about the Jenny Craig Online app is that it's much more than a food tracker. It's a digital weight loss coach designed to keep users connected, even without in-person meetings. But does the online experience live up to the classic Jenny Craig program? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Jenny Craig app brings structure and support directly to your phone. It provides personalized meal plans, progress tracking, and access to your digital consultant. This means you can get advice, meal reminders, and motivation no matter where you are. Most people get this wrong. They think going digital means losing that personal touch, but the app actually preserves it through live chat and scheduled video check-ins. Another major strength is automation. The app syncs your meals and activity, so you don't have to manually log every bite. It also helps visualize your weight trends, making it easier to stay accountable. For those following the Rapid Results Max plan, the app adjusts your fasting and eating windows automatically, helping you stick to your schedule effortlessly. Now, the cons. The app works best when paired with a full Jenny Craig membership, which can be costly. Without the food plan, many of its features lose purpose. Some users have noted minor glitches or sensing issues with third-party fitness trackers. And while the coaching is helpful, it's not as flexible as apps that allow custom diet planning. In conclusion, the Jenny Craig Online app is ideal for people who love structure and human accountability, even in a digital format. It makes staying on plan easier, offering personalized support wherever you are. If you're motivated by guided systems and regular check-ins, this app can be a real game changer. But if you prefer full control over your meals and methods, it might feel a bit too structured.